Do you searching for a free, reliable, open source, unlimited coding platform for your daily life? Then this video is for you. Where FreeBuff provide this service. We make coding 100% free, no subscription, no API, powerful coding model. It will only show small banner ad to make your coding free and unlimited. This platform didn't even have a subscription plan. Do you want to test it out? Where you can easily use this platform in the form of desktop apps, CLI, web, cloud and chat platform. Okay, and best part, it will use DeepSeek before Flash 0731 currently launched DeepSeek model, which is currently competing with Claude Opus 4.7 in most of the benchmark. Before using it, I'll show you the some overview. I have already mentioned that you can use it in desktop form just like Claude Code, Open Code. You can also use it in CLI form. If you didn't want to install it in your system, you can easily use inside the website. Currently, nearly 2000 developers are actively using. Most frequent question will be solved by platform itself. How it is free. FreeBuff is supported by text ad. It will show the small ad which didn't hamper and interrupt your coding experience. What model do you use? FreeBuff offer different model. Mostly it will use DeepSeek before Flash 0731 currently launched model and Mimo 2.5. Sometime it will use Minimax M3. It will depend on the location where you have located and which country is FreeBuff is available for. Currently FreeBuff is available entire the world, but if you are in US, Canada and European countries, then it is totally free and unlimited. But if you are in Asian region, then it has some limitation where you can only use 6 hours a day. I think it is more than enough for you. Not only for coding, you can deploy your app here in FreeBuff for free of cost. It will provide 6 1-hour session per day if you are located in Asian countries. Currently I am in Nepal. I will show you the real scenario here. If you are in US, Canada and European countries, then you don't need to worry about it. It is totally free and unlimited in your location. Here in the chat form, you can directly interact from here. I'll show you by using web chat. Hi, it will navigate me in the web platform. This is the freebuff.com web platform. Your region is limited to 3 projects a day. I know in this web platform you can easily import your image file. Okay, is it available here? Okay, just is it available and perfectly working. It is fast as well. This is the list of model currently available. Mimo 2.5 and DeepSeek before Flash. This is the web platform that you can easily use. If you want to use it as a desktop form, currently beta model will be available, but in today's video I will show you through the CLI platform. Only one command that you have required. This is the command that you have required to install it. Open your terminal, PowerShell, which platform that you have used, then paste this command in your terminal and press enter. It will automatically download each and everything that will be required to run this platform. After you have installed, check does it successfully install or not. If version will be reflected, which confirm that it will install successfully and we can easily use it. Keep in mind, Node and npm need to be installed in your system. After you have installed FreeBuff, open it in your terminal. If you type FreeBuff and press enter, then it will start. Select any folder that you want. I want to continue with my this untitled folder 2. This is the 2 model currently available according to my location. Currently I is in Nepal. Some model aren't available in Nepal. I'm going to choose this DeepSeek before Flash, which is awesome model. I'm going to selecting it. Now your 6-hour session is starting from here. You can easily use your 6-hour session at once, or you can use your 6-hour session 6 times a day. It will totally depend on you. I'll build one project to make you share this platform working perfectly, how much awesome this platform is, and I will show you the experience after ad. This is my prompt. Build a typing game in a single HTML file. Words are falling. Type them before they cross the danger zone and get the point. Correct word accuracy, best score and many more. This is the ad. Do you think your coding experience will interrupt from this ad? No, I don't think so. By showing this ad, this platform provide free and unlimited coding for you. Currently it will properly think, analyze, then only it will start to code. I'm going to wait until it will complete this task. When it will complete this all, I'll show you the output. And the best part about this ad is it will show the relative ad. You can see try ClickUp for free, where ClickUp also provides some intelligence model for free. By using this platform, you can also build your project as well. If you want, you can try it out, where it will give you the chance to build up to 25 projects using Claude model. Now it is still working. Currently it will take 4 minutes and 42 seconds. This is the to-do list. It will read all the file located inside this folder. That's why it will take a little bit more time. Currently 3 file will be there inside this folder. Inside your folder, if there are multiple files, it will take time to read. Okay, this 3 is the ad. Sometime it will show multiple ad, sometime it will show single ad. Now completed, it will mention, it will write 778 line of code in typing.typinggame.html. Coding part is completed. It will thinking, analyzing, it will test, verify, then only it will complete this task. If you want, you can easily test it out. I will show you. I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. Inside this folder, typinggame.html will be here. Okay, this is the code. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here in index.html. Then it will be easy for us to run. This is the typing game. This is the rule. It will mention age and everything. Start game. Okay. Cat. You can see how much awesome this game is. It is working perfectly. This is the power of FreeBuff platform and this is the power of DeepSeek V4 Flash. You can get point when your level increase. The game is difficult. Okay, you can get 3 life here. If this 3 ticks cross this red line, then your game is over. You can see 1, your 1 life gone, 2, 3, your game is over. Play again. Here is the accuracy. If you mistake any word, then your accuracy is decreased. Word, level, time, it will build fully functional, awesome game. But it is still testing here. Where code is already completed, it will also test it by itself. During testing, if they didn't find any error, then it will complete this task. After it will provide code, you can also interrupt this process as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Use this free and unlimited platform. This is one of the awesome open source platform that I have find. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.